hello again. So now we're going to see the different branch available in this project. If you remember, when we create some branch from the Git and we make the editing and then push the editing to the master in the local repository or in the GitHub directory, so the same we can do it from the GitHub website. So here if we check, we have, for example, two branch. We have the master and the development. And if we want to create a new branch, we can simply tap the name right here. And for example, CSS, if you remember, when we create the CSS branch, we can do it right here. So to avoid making any editing in this project, we can go to our project course and do the same right here. And we tap, for example, CSS and create a new CSS. So here you see now we are in the CSS. We can create the file, make the editing, and then we can send a pull request to the master. For example, CSS branch.html test of branch from GitHub, like that. Then we call it, for example, CSS branch test, the option, and then we commit it directly to the CSS and not to the master. So now if we commit this new file, we can create a pull request to the master. So now you see that we are in the CSS branch. We have the CSS branch file. But if we back to the master right here, you can see that we do not have the CSS branch file. So the same as we did in the locally, we can do it from the GitHub. So we can move to the CSS. Then we see that we have the file available in this branch. Then, of course, if we want, we can send a pull request to the master branch. You see from the CSS to master, we give it the name, the description, etc. And we create a pull request. So here we have a pull request. If we approve it, here is it, CSS branch, you will see the new file available in the master branch. So we confirm. Here is it. If we back to the code, you will see that we are in the master and now we have the CSS branch file available. So this is how we can use the branch from the GitHub. And if we go to the branch right here, you will see that we have the master, the default, then we have the CSS update 1 hour ago, then we have active branch. That means it still work. This is the branch available and this still available in our account. So the same if we go to the real project right here and we go to the branch, you will see that we have the default branch, the master, and style branch development updated 3 years ago by AlphaGit. This is an old branch that was available by AlphaGit. And of course, you can see yours, for example, the branch created by your account. That means by Fittah Secure Shell. You see that the CSS is created by me. But here, if we go to yours, you will see that it does not have any tag because this branch development is created by AlphaGit and not by the owner of the Cinder program. So you see the difference right here. That means created by the same account. Then we have the active, that means still active in this account. But if we back to the Cinder project, you see that the active is not available. Then the stale branch that's created by the development. But here we didn't create any stale branch, so it does not show anything. Then we have all branch to see all the branch available in this account. And the same for the Cinder program. We have all branch available in this project. So this is the different branch you can use from the GitHub directory. So next we'll see more about the GitHub.